Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to 5 Minute DIY, where we show you how to do DIY craft projects in 5 minutes or less. I'm Marty, and today I'm currently sitting in a Walmart parking lot waiting for Jazz, so I figured while I'm waiting, I can show you guys something real quick. Today we're going to make this DIY custom tumbler cup. It's not that hard, it's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. But before we get started, I need you to hit that subscribe button and the little notify bell next to it so you can be notified every time we post new craft videos. Here's what you need: razor blade, flex seal, scissors, painter's tape, paint, tumbler cup, plastic bag, sticker paper or shipping label paper. First, you want to grab your tumbler and maybe some soap and water and clean all the dirt and debris off of it. Once it's dry, you want to take your painter's tape and you want to tape around the top and the bottom of your cup. Next, you want to take your shipping label paper or your sticker paper and you want to either draw or you can print out a simple silhouette design online. I took the liberty of already cutting and printing some out myself. Side note, if you're not artistic, don't worry about all that. You can get a sticker sheet online with some lettering on it and you can put that on your cup instead of drawing something on the shipping label. And that's about it. Wait. Side note, I went to the Amish market. And boy, do these people know how to roast up some nuts. Boy, I got these cinnamon almonds right here, boy. Magnifique. Alright, back to the program. Once you cut it out, then you want to take it and you want to adhere it to your cup. You want to make sure you press the edges down really well so no paint or anything will seep through. Next, you want to spray paint your cup. Don't spray too much because you'll get drip marks, and once it's done, you want to let it dry. Wait, before you spray, make sure you take your top and put it inside the bag, then put your top on your cup. That way, no paint will get inside your cup. Next, you want to take your razor blade and your cup and you want to remove the stickers. You can use the razor blade to really get under the stickers and remove them easily. Now you want to go spray the tumbler with the flex seal. Once it's dry, you can remove the rest of the tape and the bag. And voila, you got a custom tumbler that you can gift to somebody or even use for yourself. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And come on back to Jazz and Marty for more DIY and craft videos. So like that, this will be the end. Peace.